Yeah, welcome back, my people, family and friends. I finished working out here, and I want to show us the spot where that car was before. This was the spot where that car they towed away that old car. So you see, it's been taken away. It's been taken away. So what next? What next? It's supposed to be replaced. Replace it. Replace it with what? Replace it with what? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna replace it with my car to show you that when you remove something, like when you wake up and remove spirituality or remove religion, you need to replace it with something. Those of you that wake up from spirituality, what must you replace it with? Those of you that wake up from religion, what must you replace it with? That's what I want to show you. You have to replace it with something. So that old Honda was removed there, right? So I'm gonna bring my Honda, my new Honda, and replace it as an example. So I'm gonna replace it with this one. Okay? Something, you have to replace it. Have to replace it with what is needed. So so this is a spot where that car was before they remove it. All right, so I replace it with this new car, or newer car. This one is working. That one was not working, no engine in it and all that. But this one have engine, have everything, is running well. So I replace it with this one. So this is what we're supposed to do as a people. When we leave spirituality, when we leave religion, we have to replace it with humanity. So that's what you're supposed to replace it with. Replace it with humanity. That's what you need. You don't need spirituality. You don't need religion. You need humanity. Humanity works. This guy you saw in the video removing all these things, I recorded where the old Bibles he was throwing away, or the Bible, but even new ones. So he talked about how he has attended many churches and now he's no more. So he's a spiritual person. So I start to educate him on that aspect of spirituality. Say you are not even spiritual person also. It's okay if you don't believe in God and what are you? I say you are a human being. He say, yeah, that makes sense. A lot. So we've been having a lot of conversation because I would have done this video a long time ago, but we have been having conversations, so it took some of my time. But it's all great. So this is the little thing I want us to consider. When you remove spirituality, when you remove religion, when you remove belief system, replace it with humanity. Humanity is natural. It is simple. It doesn't require sacrifice. It doesn't require tithes and offerings. It doesn't require prayers. It doesn't require God. It doesn't require any belief or faith. All it requires is knowledge. Dare to know. No more. Don't settle for hearsay. Verify things, question everything, and worship nothing. So replace that belief system that you used to have from your family or from your friends or from wherever you find yourself. Some of you get it because you relocated somewhere, and that's the religion that was reigning there, or the belief they have there. Then you embrace it, replace it with humanity. Humanity. You were not born with any spirituality. You were not born with any religion. You were born with your brain. You are born with your brain, with the organs you have. You are that body. You replace religion with humanity, replace spirituality with humanity, and live life well. This life is simple. This life is easy, and this life is great. It's sweet, and we must enjoy it. Gordon.